Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to Lunatic Studio, and today we have yet another switches from Akko. And this time they brought HMX with them. The first time I've heard about their collaboration and these new switches, I was like, okay, I have to try them out. This is Akko's collaboration with HMX, the mirror switches. And a quick disclaimer, Akko sent these switches over for us to try, but that won't affect my honest thoughts and opinion about them. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so these are Akko and HMX collab switches. They are mirror switches and they are, as stated on Akko's website, are designed for foamless build. So you should expect this to be very clacky and tacky. They're supposed to reflect the authentic sound of any keyboard as much as possible, and I'm looking forward to that. These switches cost around $14 US or around 750 Philippine peso per box of 4 to 5 pieces. And I think this has been the price range of Akko switches for the majority of their switch lineup. They're already available on Shopee and Akko's official website. As always, links in the description down below. Okay, so this is a 5-pin linear switches. The top housing is made out of PA12. We also have a long pole stem measuring at 13.6 millimeters, and it's made out of POK or polyketone that we previously saw on Akko's Dracula switches. A single stage spring with an actuation force of 37 grams, bottoming out at 42 grams. So this is a pretty light linears, and I can already hear the pops. Pre-travel of 2 millimeters and a total travel of 3.5 millimeters. It also has a nylon blend bottom housing, pretty unconventional material combinations, and I'm here for it. It also has a nice light layer of factory lube on the side of the bottom housing and on the stem, making it feel very smooth out of the box. I'm mounting this on the Monsgeek M1 V3, and I have removed all the foams inside, including the silicone fillers, to see what this is all about. And this is what it sounds like. Okay, so I love how these switches feel throughout the entire keystroke, and it also feels very snappy and poppy because of the light actuation force and the long pull stem. And because it is designed for foamless build, you can maximize the bounce or the cushioning, which makes typing with these switches a lot more comfortable. It is very clacky and tacky, but it doesn't sound plasticky, if you know what I mean. I think the POK stem does dampen a clack quite a bit. As we saw in the Dracula, POK materials produces these silent thugs, and I think it regulates the clacks to not have a plasticky sound. I love how these switches feel and sound, thanks to the light actuation force, and they also sound very snappy. I never knew I wanted these clacks until I've tried them firsthand. This is great for people trying out clacky builds and also wanting to test out HMX switches. What's great about these switches is that you get a glimpse of what HMX has to offer, and you can also get them almost anywhere thanks to Akko's successful streamlining on the general market. Hey, that's it for this review. Let me know in the comments down below on what you think about these collaborational switches from Akko and HMX. Drop a comment on what you want to see next, and subscribe to see more content or reviews like this in the future. And as always, peace.